Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this delightful 1969 MGC Roadster, finished in striking Primrose Yellow. As you can see, car sat on painted wire wheels. We've previously sold the car, fresh out of restoration. It's now done about 2,000 miles, so had a full shakedown. The owner's had his fun with it and has returned the car to us to sell on to a new owner. It's a full restoration, back to bare metal. Everything's either been reconditioned or replaced, and now with a couple of thousand miles on the car, it does drive extremely well. Fitted with overdrive, just to give slightly more relaxed cruising. As you can see, the bodywork is extremely clean and straight. Good panel fit. It's a really attractive colour on an MGC, this as well. Really does look great. The car's fitted with the pack-away hood, which gives for this sort of clean deck area and a little bit more room behind the seats. I'm going to put a case or cases in there. Apologise for the shadows today, but it is an exceptionally bright sunny day, which makes a nice change. Chrome's all good. Obviously everything works as it should. Overdrive kicks in and out nicely. Seats have got new covers, new carpets, refinished dashboard. You can see the oil pressure's excellent. Tend to run a bit low on the sea, but this one's having had a fully rebuilt and balanced bottom end. The engine's an absolute gem. Just give a quick look in the boot. It's mostly got the hood in it at the moment. There is a spare wire wheel in there and various tools. Just top the bonnet. As you can see, everything's been finished to a good standard. Engine block and rocker cover painted the correct colour. Car's running an alternator, later style alternator. Nice motor litre style wheel. Let's just give it a little blip for you. Oil pressure just a shade over 50 psi. So all in all, a really nice example. Must be one of the best ones available on the market at the moment. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.